Hey guys, this is your girl Joanna back with another video for you guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday the 13th. It is a beautiful day out, so make sure you get out there and get some sunshine. But anyway, I'm actually meeting the hubby right now. We're about to have lunch together. I snuck away from the house. But anyway, Friday night is usually our date night. But today we're doing lunch because we want to spend some time with the kids tonight, watch movies and stuff. But anyway, we're about to try some Brazilian food. Last night we were watching on Netflix this show where this man travels the world and he tries different foods. So yeah, he went to Brazil and he was trying Brazilian food. So we said, why not look up, a Brazilian restaurant nearby? Let's see if there's one nearby. And can you believe that there happened to be a Brazilian restaurant like right down the street from our house? So we are here. It's actually called, what is it called? It's called Espetos. Espetos. It's a Brazilian restaurant. We're about to try it and we'll bring you guys along. So I'm gonna try the yuca fries. They mentioned this on the show yesterday. Pao de quiejo. Pastel. Most of these I can't even pronounce. But I wanted to show you guys this. It says code. Should I try that drink, guys? Got a nice selection over here of wines. You guys think it's too early? Oh, that's the name of the place. It's actually very nice out here. They have their Brazilian flag up there. This is actually in Riverside by Espetos Grill. It's a nice place to come sit and relax. A little big Christmas tree over there. You can sit down and there's a little fountain. So yeah, we're just waiting for our food. I got one of these. I hope it's good. It says Nova Easy Kombucha, Sexy Pina Colada, 8% alcohol. So we'll see if we taste it. Oh, you can go ahead, babe. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick the yuca fries. I'm not sure what kind of sauce this is, but Anthony's about to taste it. I know that Salvadorians eat yuca because my mom always eats yuca. How does it look like on the inside? Let me try it. This is how it looks. Wow. We've been missing out, huh?
Right down the street.
It's like right down the street. So we're waiting for our food, but these fries are the bomb. Especially this green sauce. It's like a pesto with like Parmesan. I don't think I've ever tasted anything like this before. How would you describe it? The texture is like a pastry or something, huh? Anthony's like, I just want to eat. Now this is the other sauce they give us. It's really good. We're gonna get full off the fries tonight. We ordered some chicken skewers with like their delicious Brazilian beans. And then for dessert, I got some flan. It looked so good yesterday.
I remember seeing that.
Huh?
I remember seeing that.
You didn't remember seeing the flan? I think you fell asleep right when they were showing the flans. It was so good. God, it was worth the wait. They made it like right in front of us. So these are the chicken skewers with bacon. And there goes some more of that green sauce that we showed you. And this is their beans, their arrocito. Oh my God! What kind did you get, Aunt?
Just chicken.
Just chicken? Just no bacon, huh?
Chicken, no swine.
But I was telling Anthony that my mom. We grew up on yuca, but I never ate like yuca fries. Like it's basically the yuca plant with like, I think cheese in it. This is just so good, but it tastes so different than what I was brought up on, because my mom's from El Salvador. And yeah, it was just it tasted very different. It was very delicious. I'm about to dig in. I forgot my tripod, guys, so we gotta look down now. But this drink is so good. I really don't like kombucha, but I like this drink. The sexy piñata. It's really, really good. You guys have to try it next time.
When the camera's off, you say kombucha. What's on? You say kombucha.
Oh, it's because I read it. It is with the M, right? Kombucha, I think.
Sophisticated when the camera's
I
off.
guess so. Now let's try this. Do the beans really taste that much different? What is this right here? There's this like little powder.
It was in the show. It was in the show last night.
It was in the show last night, but I forgot what it is. I don't know if it's crust.
It's like brown sugar to me, but it's not.
I don't know, but it's really good. It tastes good. Okay. Look at how that looks. Really good. You like yours?
It's not. It's not. I'm impressed. You didn't have to go to LA.
Huh?
You didn't have to go to LA. Something local.
That's what I was gonna say. Like, you gotta get out and explore your area. You never know what's around the corner. Like, this was literally like 5 minutes from our house, and we didn't know. There you go. Now the rice and the beans don't really taste that different to me. And the show we were watching last night, they tasted, I don't know, they looked really different. That's why I was excited to try, but they don't really taste, they just taste like regular barquillos to me. How about you? And the rice, it just tastes like regular white rice with pico de gallo. I'm glad I didn't get too scared.
Yeah.
I had a lot of food. You don't have some kind of hot sauce or something? We should ask them. And I need some hot sauce for my stuff. You are. Oh, he works here. Let me ask him.
I don't know. We're asking for more of this.
Oh, okay. It's so beautiful out here, guys. I had a question for you. What is this right here?
It's a yuca flower.
Oh, yuca flour. Does it have like anything else in it, like sugar or anything?
No sugar, but a little bit seasoning, salt, or little.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but no sugar.
Oh, okay. So yuca flour. Can we have a little bit more of this?
Yeah, one that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, so it's yuca flour. Yeah, see? So I guess it's like a staple in like, I was reading in was it Central America? Yeah. It's like a staple. Yuca is, it's really good. Look how it looks. It's like powdery.
Brown sugar.
But he said there's no sugar in it. Full already?
Look for my sauce.
It is really good sauce. It's like really so nice out here, guys. It's so relaxing, so peaceful. It's beautiful out here. If you guys haven't checked out our last video, from last Friday. We tried a vegan bistro. We drove all the way to LA from Riverside. It was pretty good too, but yeah, this one was just down the street, like I said. He got some more of that green sauce because it's just so good.
Yep.
Taste the Parmesan. I was telling Anthony we gotta keep watching that show so we could learn, like, you know, different cuisines.
What show is it?
Huh? What is it called? Follow.
The show. Somebody feed Phil.
Something about Phil. My husband thought he was kind of corny, the guy. But I was just there for the food, you know. Yeah. It's called something Follow Me Phil or something on Netflix.
Somebody feed Phil.
Somebody feed Phil. Yeah, somebody feed Phil. It looks so beautiful there, though, in Brazil. I would definitely want to check it out. Oh, thank you. No, you can go ahead.
Am I interrupting the recording?
No, not at all.
That's pretty good.
Thank you. Ooh, let me show you guys what just came. My dessert. Flan with caramelized sugar. It looks like you took a bite from it, huh? Oh my god. Okay, now I want to try my dessert. Why is it so small though? I grew up on flan, so let me see how this one tastes. It's very good. It's very rich. Look at that, guys. With caramelized sugar. I don't think I want to share this one. Can you get your own?
That's up to you.
Wow, this is amazing. I'm very satisfied. So if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, guys, because we're every Friday we're going out to trying different Friday. We're trying different restaurants, different cuisines for you guys. And letting you guys know where they are and just how they are, rating them. And it's pretty fun. We love to eat, so. So what do you give this restaurant?
10.
A 10? I do too. I give it a 10. This is really delicious. And this is in Riverside. Let me tell you guys the name again. Espetos Grill. Very satisfied. And for example, our 2 plates of skewers, our yuca fries, and our flan, and our drinks was what, like $50? $50, which wasn't bad. And you get to watch them make it in front of you, so you know it's fresh.
See the hype's about.
Woo! I'm telling you, look. Look at his reaction. Are you a flan person though? Do you like flan? Not really, huh? Because I remember making flan before and you didn't really like it. Oh, good. More for me. It kind of tastes like cheesecake to me, but with like sugar. And then they're playing Brazilian music on it. It just makes you feel like you're in a different place, you know? What are you drinking? Cucumber? One last time. We get the chicken skewers. So that's when you know it's good. Look, practically lick the plate. He just told me we have to come back. We have to go exploring some more though. So this is, like I said, a beautiful place to just walk around. And we ran into this store called The Sacred Journey. It's a healing studio. They have a lot of crystals and stuff. Oh my god, just going in there is just so relaxing. And I got this the chakra balancing spray, amber and stone. It smells so good, guys. You just spray it on yourself, on your pillows, or on your house. It smells so good. They have like different kinds, like to relax you. Yeah. And then I just got their I got different flavors of these as well. They had so many different flavors. I can't wait to burn them. These incense at the house. Yeah, they smell so good. You guys definitely have to check it out when you come here.